Introducing Bytecasting Learning Management System, the only LMS web app you will ever need. Bytecasting web app will provide you benefits from saving time to saving money. Bytecasting LMS is easy to use, and our subscription-based plans are super easy to manage. During the COVID era, many known companies from every vertical have used and enjoyed the benefits of our learning management system. We give you the state-of-the-art UI/UX design and the best controls over all the functionalities, from creating quizzes and assessments to generating progress reports. We proudly present the first-ever LMS with responsive design. In all the devices, Bytecasting is equally powerful. Don't just take our word for it, you can check out the client testimonials we are crowned with over the years. Bytecasting is so simple. To set up, all you have to do is just sign up and you are good to go. Join us today. Let's create a better world for learning.